let's move on to the next word, HaShamayim. Now, et comes before this word. That means that this word is a direct object of the verb bara. What did he fill? HaShamayim. HaShamayim is the word shamayim, preceded by the prefix ha, meaning the. That's why it's a direct object, because it has ha in front of it. The shamayim. Shamayim is usually translated as heaven or heavens. I don't really like that because that's, again, a very abstract concept. In my translation, I use the word skies. Skies. That's a little more concrete than heaven or heavens. But anyway, where does shamayim come from? There's some different theories. It could be that it's the plural form of the word shema. Not shema like in here. That's a different spelling. This is shin mem he. Nobody really knows what that word would mean. So, but it could be a plural form of that. Or it could be the plural form of shamam. Shamam means desolate, as in a dry wind blowing over the ground to dry it out, which is kind of related to the idea of sky with the winds and everything. So that's a possibility. Another possibility is that it is, and this is where it could be the word mayim with the prefix sh. Sh is a prefix. It's not used very much in biblical Hebrew. It's used a lot in modern Hebrew. But in biblical Hebrew, it's only used a few times, but it did exist, and it means as. And then the word mayim, so it could mean as water, which is interesting because sky is a lot like water. They're very similar. So that's a possibility. Another possibility, and this is the one that I hold to, that it's the plural, masculine plural form of the word shem. What does shem mean? Shem means name. However, name is again an abstract. That's Greek. In Hebrew, it's breath. It's your breath. Your name, remember what I said earlier? A name is a Hebrew word that has meaning. It means something. And they would name their children based on their character. That's why names changed. Abraham's name was changed because of a change in character. It was Avram, now it's Avraham. Puts the hay in there. Same thing with Sarai becomes Sarah. Again, the hay is put in there. Anyway, so Shem means literally the breath, or it could be understood as the wind, which that does fit with the sky. By the way, Shem, character, breath, comes from the same root as shamayim. There's no question. They have to come from the same root. Now, normally we're used to the feminine plural of Shem, which is shemot. That's the feminine plural, and that means names or characters, titles, if you will. But I believe that the feminine form is used for titles, but the masculine form is used for the skies, and they're the same word. Shamayim. That's heaven of heaven. Heaven of heaven, or sky of sky. But because sky is written as Shemay, that means it's in the construct state. That means that it has to be the plural form of the word Shem.